TikTok has become a powerful platform for creators and entrepreneurs looking to monetize their content and reach a vast audience. Leveraging TikTok automation tools can help you streamline content creation, engagement, and monetization efforts, making it easier to generate a consistent income. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use TikTok automation to potentially earn $1,650 a month. 1. Understand TikTok's monetization potential. Before diving into automation, it's crucial to grasp how TikTok can be monetized. There are several revenue streams to consider. Creator Fund. TikTok pays creators based on the views their content receives. Brand partnerships. Brands pay for sponsored content and collaborations. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions on sales through your affiliate links. Selling products or services. Use TikTok to drive traffic to your e-commerce store or services. Live gifts. During live streams, viewers can send virtual gifts that can be converted into cash. To earn $1,650 monthly, you'll likely need to combine several of these strategies. 2. Set up your TikTok account for success. Profile optimization. Ensure your profile is professional and engaging. Use a clear profile picture and a catchy bio that highlights what your content is about. Include a link to your website or affiliate links in your bio to drive traffic and potential sales. Content strategy. Define your niche and target audience. Content that resonates with a specific audience is more likely to attract engagement and followers. Plan a content calendar to maintain consistency. Aim to post regularly, ideally multiple times a day, to keep your audience engaged. 3. Leverage TikTok automation tools. Automation tools can help you manage and optimize your TikTok presence more effectively. Here's how to use them. Content scheduling. Use tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule your TikTok posts. Scheduling can help you maintain a consistent posting schedule without having to be online all the time. Create a content calendar that aligns with trending topics and seasonal events to increase engagement. Engagement automation. Tools like Jarvee or TikTok automation tools can automate interactions such as liking, commenting, and following. This helps increase your visibility and attract new followers. Be cautious with engagement automation to avoid appearing spammy. Focus on authentic interactions to build a genuine community. Analytics and insights. Use analytics tools like TikTok's native analytics or SocialBee to track performance metrics. Understanding what content performs best helps you refine your strategy. Analyze data such as video views, engagement rates, and follower growth to optimize your content and posting times. 4. Create high-quality, engaging content. Content creation tips. Invest in good lighting and audio equipment to improve video quality. High-quality videos are more likely to capture viewers' attention and perform well. Stay updated on TikTok trends and challenges. Participating in trending challenges can increase your visibility and engagement. Use catchy music, creative effects, and engaging captions to make your videos stand out. Content ideas. Educational content. Share valuable tips or how-tos related to your niche. Behind the scenes. Show what goes into creating your content or running your business. Product reviews. Review products related to your niche and include affiliate links. 5. Monetize your TikTok presence. Join the Creator Fund. Apply to the TikTok Creator Fund once you meet the eligibility requirements. This can provide a steady income based on your video views. Focus on creating high-quality, engaging content to maximize your earnings from the Creator Fund. Collaborate with brands. Reach out to brands or use influencer marketing platforms like Aspire IQ or Influencity to find partnership opportunities. Create sponsored content that aligns with your niche and audience. Ensure that sponsored posts are authentic and add value to your followers. Promote affiliate products. Integrate affiliate links into your content, either through direct promotions or by showcasing products you use and recommend. Track affiliate performance using tools like Bitly to optimize your strategy and increase conversions. Sell your own products or services. Use TikTok to drive traffic to your online store or service platform. Create engaging content that highlights your products or services. Offer exclusive discounts or promotions to your TikTok audience to boost sales. Leverage live streaming. Host live streams to engage directly with your audience. Use live streams to promote products, answer questions, or offer exclusive content. Encourage viewers to send virtual gifts during your live streams to earn additional income. 6. Optimize your automation strategy. Monitor performance. Regularly review the performance of your automated activities. Ensure that automated interactions are contributing positively to your growth. Adjust your strategy based on analytics and feedback. If certain types of automation are not yielding the desired results, re-evaluate and modify your approach. Avoid over-automation. Balance automation with genuine interactions. Over-reliance on automation can make your account seem less authentic and may affect your engagement rates negatively. Focus on building real connections with your audience to foster long-term relationships and loyalty. 7. Stay compliant with TikTok's policies. Follow community guidelines. Ensure that your content and automated interactions comply with TikTok's community guidelines and terms of service. Violations can lead to penalties, including account suspension or removal from the platform. Disclosure for sponsored content. Clearly disclose any sponsored content or affiliate promotions to maintain transparency with your audience and comply with advertising regulations. Advanced strategies for maximizing TikTok earnings through automation. While the basics of TikTok automation can help you reach your initial goal of $1,650 a month, advanced strategies can scale your earnings even further. By fine-tuning your approach, leveraging additional tools, and exploring innovative monetization techniques, you can maximize your income potential on the platform. 1. Advanced content strategies for engagement. Beyond the standard content creation methods, there are several advanced strategies you can employ to boost engagement and, consequently, your earnings. User-generated content campaigns. Hashtag challenges. Create and promote a branded hashtag challenge to encourage users to generate content around your theme. This not only increases your visibility but also boosts engagement as more people participate. Duets and collaborations. Encourage followers to duet your videos or collaborate with other creators in your niche. Duets are a powerful way to tap into another creator's audience, while collaborations can bring fresh perspectives and ideas to your content. Content repurposing. Cross-platform sharing. Repurpose your TikTok content for other platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, or Pinterest. Automation tools can help streamline this process by scheduling and posting your content across multiple platforms simultaneously. Content upcycling. Take high-performing TikTok videos and turn them into longer-form content, such as a blog post, YouTube video, or podcast episode. This approach allows you to reach a broader audience and drive traffic back to your TikTok account. Leveraging analytics for content optimization. In-depth analytics. Use advanced analytics tools like Analysa or Exalit to gain deeper insights into your audience's behavior. Analyze trends in watch time, drop-off points, and audience demographics to tailor your content more effectively. Content sequencing. Create a series of related videos that build upon each other, encouraging viewers to watch multiple videos in a row. This can significantly increase your watch time and engagement metrics, both of which are critical for TikTok's algorithm. 2. Monetization tactics beyond the basics. While joining the TikTok Creator Fund and promoting affiliate products are excellent starting points, exploring additional monetization tactics can elevate your earnings. Subscription-based content. Exclusive content. Offer exclusive content to your most loyal followers through platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi. Promote these platforms on TikTok and encourage fans to subscribe for additional perks, such as behind-the-scenes footage, early access to videos, or personalized shout-outs. Private communities. Create a private group or membership community where followers can access premium content, live Q&A sessions, or direct mentorship. Tools like Discord or Mighty Networks can help facilitate these communities. Selling digital products. E-books and courses. Package your expertise into digital products like e-books, courses, or workshops. For example, if your TikTok niche is about personal finance, you could create an e-book on budgeting or an online course on investment strategies. Use TikTok to promote these products and drive sales. Templates and tools. If your content involves design, productivity, or business, consider selling digital templates, planners, or toolkits. For instance, a creator in the social media niche might sell pre-made Canva templates or social media calendars. Sponsored live streams. Brand-integrated live events. Partner with brands to sponsor your live streams. During the live event, You can integrate brand mentions, showcase products, or run live demonstrations. To maximize earnings, negotiate sponsorship deals that include not only a flat fee but also a commission based on sales generated during the live stream.